Peace and power, family. So I felt that I had to talk about this to y'all today, all right? The vitamin K shot. What do you need to know about it? And why are so many people avoiding it? And what do we do not understand about this shot? Okay, first I want to say that the vitamin K shot is the only shot on the market that has a black box warning. Now, what is this? A black box warning is the highest warning that the FDA can give to a medication. Usually it lists death as one of the side effects, okay? Not only that, the vitamin K shot overexcites the liver, okay, causing the bilirubin to raise in the blood and what causes liver issues such as jaundice. So many infants are coming down with jaundice hours after they're born. And we know that the eyes, when it changes color, it signifies a specific organ that is damaged. And yellow is associated with the liver. Okay, so many of us need to be aware of the dangers and the facts behind the vitamin K shot. Not only is it linked to childhood jaundice, but it's also linked to childhood cancers such as leukemia, all these different blood cancers that were unknown before, and our children are developing at a rapid rate. Okay, so share this information, family. Look up and research the dangers of the vitamin K shot and the black box warning, which the vitamin K shot comes with, okay? Peace and power, family. Power.